please put your hands together to welcome the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. C. Joseph Vijay. Louder, please. We can do better than that. Please welcome the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, who's taken time out of his schedule to join us here at the India Today Roundtable. Can I request everyone to please be seated so we can begin the proceedings for the India Today Roundtable? Mr. Chief Minister, I will also highlight, sir, that there are a lot of college students in the back waiting to catch a glimpse of you. So if you could wave to them, I'm sure they'll be particularly thrilled. There you go. All right. Thank you so much for indulging them, Mr. Chief Minister. Can I request everyone to please settle down and be seated, please? First of all, Vanakkam, Honorable Chief Minister, and welcome to the India Today Tamil Nadu Roundtable. We're honored that you've chosen the India Today Group for your first major media engagement. Your government, sir, completes 100 days in office, and this roundtable that we've put together over the next few hours is an opportunity for us to kind of look back at the first 3 months, the highs, the promise, the achievements, and yes, the changes that are still required. Because a meaningful conversation about Tamil Nadu's progress must celebrate what's working, but also, sir, must ask what needs to work better. 4 months ago, I was in Tamil Nadu covering the election, and I remember seeing all of the whispers about you becoming Chief Minister. But actually, Honorable Chief Minister, let me scratch that, let me correct that. They weren't whispers. They were honestly very loud whistles in the air for you, for the TVK. And if you hear that, it's not a CSK match. It means there's political change in the air, which is what we also saw. You've, of course, changed the political history of Tamil Nadu with the mandate you received. And today, sir, we want to look ahead at your vision for Tamil Nadu, at the opportunities, challenges before one of India's leading states, because that's what Tamil Nadu honestly is. And under you, what the next 5 years should look like. So once again, Honorable Chief Minister Vijay, Vanakkam, welcome to the India Today Roundtable, sir. Can we play the inauguration video, please?
C. Joseph Vijay.
This is a new beginning, a new era of a real, secular, social justice starts now.
Just a glimpse, sir, of what the last 100 days have looked like for us and for all the media coverage that we've seen for your government. But can we now formally launch the India Today Roundtable? Can I invite the Honorable Chief Minister on stage for the ceremonial lamp lighting, and also Vice Chairperson, Executive Editor-in-Chief of the India Today Group, Kalipuri, to join him for the sitting. Nandri CM, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We have a surprise now for all of you joining us and for everyone watching this broadcast. When we met the Honorable Chief Minister, sir, you told us about the importance of Tamil. You told us about the power of the language. So we decided we're going to use that power. We're going to take it forward. India Today and the India Today group, as you know, the channel itself has been English, but we have decided to diversify that in honor of what you told us, Honorable Chief Minister. And so it's our pleasure to now launch formally India Today Tamil. And we're going to have the Honorable Chief Minister launching India Today Tamil for us. Sir, can I invite Pramod Madhav, Anaga Keshav on stage as well? They're part of our Tamil Nadu Bureau. And we'll have the Honorable Chief Minister press that button, sir, and launch India Today Tamil. Please, with a round of applause. We hope, sir, that we will be able to take every step that you take as a government over the next 100 days, over the next 5 years, to the people of Tamil Nadu using India Today Tamil as a platform. We'll have Pramod Madhav, Anaga Keshav, and me truly from Delhi doing that also. We have one request, Honorable Chief Minister. We've kept an iPad there. If you could put out your message for the viewers and for the launch of India Today Tamil, we'll broadcast it then for the entire state to see. Please, sir. Let truth speak louder. For every journalist, an extremely reassuring message. Thank you so much, Honorable Chief Minister. Lastly, you've indulged us very kindly. Can I request you to please come to the center so we can get a quick photograph of the launch of India Today Tamil and remember this moment? Rajdeep, can I have you on stage, please? Rajdeep, Parthajit, Apurva, Raj. Thank you very much, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Vijay, for joining us here at the India Today Roundtable. A big round of applause, please. You have kicked off, sir, for us the India Today Roundtable. We promise it's going to be an extremely memorable event. And with the launch of India Today Tamil as well, we hope to go ahead and carry forward a lot of stories from Tamil Nadu also onto a national platform with a regional voice as well. Thank you very much, Chief Minister, for your time, for joining us here at the India Today Roundtable. A big round of applause, please. And if we could, a standing ovation for our Chief Minister.